When confidential files, deadline pressure, remote access, and rapid tech adoption converge, relying on informal IT support quickly reaches its limit. Max Barnhart, Director of Sales at Integritek, highlights what makes the difference. Outsourcing works when roles are written down and access is controlled, while support decisions match how client files and deadlines move through the firm. True IT outsourcing bridges the gap when an organization has outgrown a single technician or contractor, but is not ready for a full internal department. Bringing in structured outside expertise delivers broader technical depth across cybersecurity, identity controls, endpoint patching, and backup validation, ensuring critical filing deadlines and cloud systems remain supported even during internal staff absences. Because models range from fully managed services and co-managed support to project-based consulting, leadership must carefully evaluate scope to avoid vague SLAs, hidden licensing costs, or uncontrolled privileged access. Success begins with inventorying all devices, user permissions, and SaaS accounts, while establishing rigid documentation, clear escalation paths, and tested recovery steps. To evaluate the best IT outsourcing model for your firm's operational risk and growth plans, read the full article and add this to your Spotify playlist.